Hi, my name is Mark Cooper, CEO of PM11. I was asked recently to co host a webinar with Tanya Walter, CEO of Obzervr, and we talked about how organisations can automate and use mobility solutions to improve maintenance. It was hosted by Ostmine, the leading industry body for Australia for mets and mining, and the following is one in a series of topics. Today's topic is why PM11 chose Obzervr.
Where we came to that section, we understood that we really needed a solution that was best of breed, best in space, and that's why we chose Obzervr. So it's really important for us that most of the work done in that execution space is done in the field, and let's be honest, SAP screens don't translate that well into the field. So our goal was to integrate SAP with Obzervr, and so that all the planned and scheduled and released work orders could appear seamlessly in an application like Obzervr, with all the relevant documentation, things like PRTs from SAP, check sheets, safety checks, and the like. And from that genesis, we've been able to create a powerful engine to drive the functionality, things like measurement point updates, time confirmations, component changeouts, work order closures, and the like. So that means that the data that's destined for SAP is positioned back into SAP at the right time. And we'll talk about that quite a lot, because really that's part of the key to the benefits that we're going to be talking about as we go forward. And then the other part of it is that Obzervr also captures a whole bunch of other data, and we'll talk about that as well. And that might be safety data, it might be environmental data, or whatever. So that's why we've chosen Obzervr in that particular space.